Hello, dear Maninis. The month of June, as you all know, is How Green is My Garden or How Green is My Thumb. This is the theme for the Manini group in June. And keeping in line with that theme, I wanted to introduce to you Madhavi Shirole. Now, many of you may already know her, may have heard of her, or been introduced to her via her group. But she is a perfect fit for this theme because she is an avid gardener, a plant and flower enthusiast. She has tons of tips and tricks and knowledge and information to share. So I want her to be the guest of honor for this month to honor this theme and to help us all learn a little bit more about gardening and plants and flowers and all those beautiful green things that we have. So join me in welcoming Madhavi Shirole to this program. That's great, Madhavi. Welcome. I was so delighted to have you here, be the guest of honor for the Manini group for this particular month, which is the theme for this month is How Green is My Thumb or How Green is My Garden. And from what little I know you, I've only known you for a couple of months now. I can already tell that, you have many green fingers. All your fingers are super green, and it's lovely. You're sitting outside today in your haven of a place, your beautiful green backyard. So I wanted to just have you, talk to our ladies in Manini group just to inspire them in line with this theme. So welcome to the program.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
It's a delight. So Madhavi, tell me, where did this passion of gardening and plants and flowers begin from?
I don't know. For as long as I remember, maybe parents, my mother, my father, from where they came. I guess my parents were a transplant to Mumbai. So from their village, I think they brought this with them, the soul of farming and land and the love for land. And we started, that is the way. And I guess my mom, she just nurtured it with all the stories of mythological tales, with how all gods have a favorite flower or a leaf or a plant. And she used to not only say that with the spiritual or mythological belief, but tell me the scientific reason behind it. I mean, if there is a bael tree in the backyard, it helps because you have medicinal plant right there at your fingertips. Or for Ganpati, you have Durva. And Durva is supposed to be a stomach relief, the juice of it. So that sort of thing. So it was not just giving me information about it because we believe in our religion, but a scientific basis to everything. So I started noticing and identifying plants as soon as I think I started going to school or walking around with her in the neighborhood.
Oh my God, what a treasure trove. I had no idea. This is great. Like these grandmothers' nuskas, they say. So you not only have a love for plants, you have this immense knowledge, this generational knowledge of what is good for you, what can be medicinal in value, healing. And that's absolutely wonderful. And talking about you mentioned, they brought their soul with them when they moved to Mumbai, the love of land, the fertile soil. I think that is a basis for this beautiful group that you have formed in the Twin Cities, a Facebook group called Vasundhara. And from my little bit knowledge of Sanskrit, Vasundhara means fertile earth, Mother Earth, doesn't it?
Yes. Yes.
What inspired you to come up with the name, and what inspired you to come up with this Facebook group?
Oh, the name? Actually, if I would have had a daughter, that's what I would have named her, Vasundhara. So I have a master's in plant ecology. So plant ecology is a science or plants botany. It's a specialized field within botany, which it's the whole ecosystem, right? It's not just plants, it's the soil, biotic, abiotic factors, that is living, non-living, all of us in it. So Vasundhara is that. So I didn't have a daughter, but this group is something I was like, when I thought of a name, Vasundhara seems apt because that's my love Vasundhara.
This is your baby. This is your baby. So when did you start this group? And tell us a little bit about what is the intention or the purpose of this group?
Oh, but I started it just recently, actually. So for a couple of years or years now, many of my friends or my close acquaintances, everyone knows that I love gardening. Everyone knows that I have this degree in botany and I bring over some of my knowledge from India. So everyone asks me questions. They IM me when they meet me, or we have discussions with fellow gardeners and friends who are interested. So one day I was like, I need to find a place where everyone can get this information, not just on a one-on-one basis, but it's not that I have all the information. So each one of us has gone through experience of being in Minnesota and how to care for plants here, because being in India is a total different ball game. And growing plants here in Minnesota is totally different. You have to be so aware of the weather patterns, the temperature, the soil, the insects, and everything. So I thought it would be a awesome knowledge sharing place where everyone can talk about, show off their plants even, because summer is what? We love to show off our plants and rough
Yes.
plants and talk about it. And whatever is not working right, each one of us can help each other with the experiences that we have had for so many years. So that was the intent. There are a couple of groups here in Minnesota, but Vasundhara I felt is more close-knit. Friends helping friends. We know each other. It's easier to share knowledge, information, and most of us like tropical plants. So talking about tropical plants and organic material that we use for fertilizing. So that's the reason, I guess. I thought that it was much better than doing instant messaging particular individuals and just bring the information together at one spot.
You are so right, because it's very important to know Minnesota, especially the Twin Cities, the weather, the climate, the soil, everything, because it's there are so many beautiful plant and gardening based groups out there, but people who live here understand what it takes, how difficult it is to grow plants here, to nurture them, and what kinds of plants grow here and what don't, and things like that. So I think having something uniquely for this region, this area, makes a lot of sense. Plus, with your friends and people in the community that you are close to or know, there is this give and take. So you not only share advice and knowledge on plants, but I think there are times when you actually even share plants, right? If somebody has more of one kind, or would like to exchange plants, that happens in this group as well, doesn't it?
Yes, a lot of giveaways. So now that we have a well-established garden, some of us, we can help the ones who are just starting new. With our experience, we can just let them know which plant works, because so much trial and error. For the last almost 20 years that I've been here, I must have lost so many plants because I didn't even look at the tag that showed the zone in the first few years. I loved something, I bought it, I planted it, and I'm like, why doesn't this grow here, right? So that kind of sharing, and then some plants which I have in excess, which do grow here profusely, you can just split them and give them away. And that way, your garden grows in someone else's yard.
That is so beautiful. I joined Vasundhara very recently. I am the first one to raise my hand and say, I am not a gardener. I don't have this innate knowledge about plants and gardening like you do. You even have master's degree. So it's both theory and practical and years of generational knowledge. So I think this is very, very useful but just in the little time that I have been part of Vasundhara, it's such an inspirational group. I didn't feel any hesitation in posting a question, no matter however basic or, simple the question might be. And I have been inspired from this group in my own way. I'm taking baby steps, but this is a great group. And thank you for sharing. Thank you for creating this forum, because I wanted to share this with all the Manini ladies. Like, if you don't know about Madhavi and don't know about Vasundhara, please check it out. It's a Facebook group, and feel free to reach out to her. As part of a special giveaway for this month's theme, Madhavi is very generously going to give away some special plants. We're going to pick two winners. All of you have been posting lovely pictures of your patio, your decks, your garden, your backyard, and I've been reminding everybody to hashtag it as My Green Thumb. So randomly, we're going to pick 2 people, just random 2 people from all the posts that you've shared in this group, and Madhavi is going to connect with you all to give away something very special at the end of this month. Obviously, something for your garden. So there is that to look forward to. But Madhavi, thank you so much for telling us a little bit about you, your history, and this beautiful group that you've created that gives everyone a chance to learn more, grow more, and make their gardens and their life prettier. So thanks so much, Madhavi.
Thanks, Lakshmi. Thank you so much. And thanks for that awesome feedback about your experience in Vasundhara. So no question is silly. We all learned. I mean, I have a master's, like you said, but that doesn't mean that I knew everything when I came to Minnesota. It was a total rewind. I mean, I had to learn from day one. So the questions that you are asking right now, those were the questions that I had when I first started. And I had to go the hard way, trying to research it and find the answers. Here you have such a big group. And Manini, I saw so many awesome pictures, so many people and so many discussions. All of you have seen me commenting or discussing or trying to identify plants in your background. Oh my God, this has been fun. Manini and Vasundhara, I love it. And I'm so glad to talk to you all today. Thanks, Lakshmi. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Pleasure is all mine, Madhavi. And now you enjoy going back to gardening your beautiful garden. Send me some pictures of your backyard so that I can share it along with this video, all right?
I will. Thanks so much.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.